And back over to the ridge again. We were here last Tuesday, so it's been about a week and 2 days since we were here last. Walking on the other side of the road here. I thought the park was closed. Like, park closed permanently. Wow, look at that. Just white snow and tennis court. Has that nice charm to it though. Kinda nice. That's kinda cool though. Snow squall down Corning over there. Snow squalls scattered all over. Let's see what the river looks like today. Film like a movie right there. Wow. It's like a snowy wasteland. Cool. Hey, so yeah, that's a snow squall right there. It's a huge one too. It's passing now. Cool breeze, not bad. It's not horrible. I need to take a picture of this. Psyched up. Sewer, or I don't know, drain, water drain. Yeah, it's definitely not sewer. If it's sewer, why is it going into so that must be the sewer drain. Fairly clean water. It's like a little mini waterfall. That thing's probably wicked heavy, so definitely not gonna open that. I'll leave it as is. I'm gonna leave it as is. Seems like we're on some unknown planet right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoo! Nah, it's not completely frozen, so I'm not gonna step foot on it. Everything's starting to melt now, so it's starting to. Oh my goodness, the Cheetos truck again. Dude, the last vlog, the last time I was here, last week and 2 days ago, Cheetos vlog, Cheetos truck. Things are starting to warm up now. I don't think we're officially spring yet until we reach March, but definitely has that spring, very faint spring smell, so. Melting of the snow, and the sun's getting quite warm. cool sight to look at though, I'll say that for sure. View, nature, minus the traffic. Yeah, the sun is out. Sparkling off the water. Kind of nice, huh? Yeah, it's like, look over here, it's like bland. Look over here, it's like, oh, that's a view. One is getting pretty cool with the wind. The sun's warm, but the wind is so cold. And then two, gotta go check on the car. Alright, we're back in town. Apparently some trees still have leaves on it. Well, of course, not counting the pine trees. Of course, they'll still have those needles on them. But I'm just saying this tree in particular still has a leaf on it, and we're heading to spring. Now, it's not spring yet. It's still technically winter until we reach March. But decent-sized puffy truck right there, guys. Can't tell my car's still out there waiting on that. There you go.
Don't help any.
Yeah. You're welcome. I guess we could take a walk through Dollar General for a minute.
Wait.
Well, I started collision there, but I had the right way. Interesting. What are you going?